رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة إنما حرم عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير وما أهل به لغير الله فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فلا إثم عليه إن الله غفور رحيم. Translation: Allah has forbidden you only meat of dead animals, carrion, and blood, and flesh of swine, and that what has been slaughtered or dedicated in the name of anybody invoked other than Allah. But he, whoever is compelled by necessity, neither desiring pleasure nor transgressing by willful disobedience, there is no sin for him. Surely Allah is all forgiving, most merciful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given clear commandments in this ayah about some of the harams, some of the forbidden foods, and it include the meat of a dead animal who died before it could be slaughtered, and blood, and pork or the meat of swine. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also forbidden or made haram any animal that is slaughtered or dedicated in the name of anybody invoked other than Allah. So any wali or any peer or any jinn or any idol or anyone, if that animal is slaughtered for anyone other than Allah, that is haram. We will inshallah read more details in Surah Maida on this topic when we will do. There is an important point to understand in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given an exception, and that exception cannot be used wrongfully. And what is the exception? That if somebody is dying because of hunger or thirst, he can eat or drink whatever is mentioned haram in the normal days. So if somebody in a situation that only pork or the meat of swine is available and he is dying of hunger, he can eat. But nobody can make it a rule. The haram, the forbidden things will remain haram in all circumstances except this exception that Allah gave. And Allah used the words baghi wala ad, meaning that a person who is thinking that, oh, Allah gave us a chance and exception, so let's eat and enjoy pork, and let's drink alcohol to enjoy. No. So that kind of attitude is an attitude of a person who is a baghi, or who we can say is just trying to getting pleasure and transgressing. And the other person is adi. And who is adi? Who is just going in the direction of disobedience. And so any person who is doing any of these crimes, Allah knows the best. So Allah knows what is in the hearts. So nobody can lie to Allah. And this is so important to understand that the exceptions are given here for a specific situation. That situation cannot be generalized. So let's pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, just make us steadfast on only halal and keep us away from all the harams. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.